Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm here with a microphone review. The people from FiFine Technology have sent me a microphone to review. It is the K669 microphone. It's a USB condenser microphone, and we're gonna check it out and open it up. So this is the unboxing part. And so this is the microphone. So just having a quick look at it out of the box here. It's a USB microphone, so it'll plug in via USB into the computer. It's made of metal. It's got a metallic build here, and it looks like the USB cable is permanently attached to the microphone, so you can't unplug it if it breaks. That's the first thing I noticed about this microphone. So there's that, and a stand for the microphone. So yeah, so right now I'm shooting and recording audio off of my camera mic just to compare. So I'm gonna get this set up and we will record using the audio from the FiFine mic. So I got the mic set up here, just gonna plug it in. You can see it's pretty compact, and I just wanted to mention it's a pretty cheap mic. It's $27.99 US on Amazon and $42.99 Canadian on Amazon.ca. So it is a fairly cheap mic. So let's test it out and see what the sound quality is like. So we're gonna plug it in here via USB. It's got a nice long, a lot of cord here, which is nice. I think it's over 5 feet, almost 6 feet. So that's nice. You got a lot of cord to work with. So I got the mic set up here. I have the input set on my computer at 50%, and I have it set on the microphone right now at 50%, and it sounds all right. There's it's a little thin, but it's not too bad. This mic is pretty easy to use. All you do is you plug it into USB. You don't need any interface. You just go to your system's preference, select your input, and you click on the mic, and there it is. Easy peasy. So this mic has a cardioid polar pattern and a frequency response of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Well, I'm pretty impressed by the sound quality of this mic. I can't really complain. Like I said, this is a fairly cheap mic, and for the price, I think it sounds pretty decent, especially if you're going to be using it at a desk or something for voiceovers, recording a podcast or a vlog or anything. I think it's pretty good. I mean, it's pretty easy to set up. The stand's good. It's nice and compact. You could throw it in your backpack, whatever. Just be careful of this cord. Like I said before, if that cord breaks, you got to buy a new microphone, which would suck. Like I said before, it's a condenser mic. It has a cardioid polar pattern, so it's good for just sitting at the desk talking to it. I have my air conditioning running right now just as test to see if you could hear it in the background. Like I said before, I had it set to 50% on, you can change it here, which is nice. I'll turn this around, you won't be able to hear me so much, but that'll kind of show you what it sounds like from the back if you're recording from that direction. I don't know why you would, but anyways, you can adjust here from setting it from, all right, now I have it at 50%, and you can adjust the volume on that. So we'll test that out. So right now it is set to 50%. We're going to test what it sounds like all the way down at 25%, 50%, 75%, and that is 100% on the microphone set input at 50%. So it doesn't sound too bad. Not too much distortion, or hardly any. I didn't notice any. Another thing I did notice is there's not much pop protection on the microphone, so your P's are going to pop, but you can just buy a pop filter or a windsock to put over top of it, and that would help cut out any of the pop. So basically my only concerns about this mic is the cord and the pop protection. But other than that, it seems like a really great mic for the price. I think it's a good cheap mic for if you're just starting off doing podcasts or vlogs or whatever, just any kind of audio recording, and you want to start out and just see how it goes. So there you go. There's the FiFine K669 microphone. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the mic, what you thought of the review. I think it's a decent mic. I think it's a good price, and I think it's a pretty decent sound for that price. Yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.